60 seconds. You need to know before you go. All right, take a look at Pony, P-O-N-Y. This one getting together with 10-cent Cloud. This is going to strengthen their ability to produce robo-taxi support. Obviously, Chinese play here, up 17%, P-O-N-Y. GEHC higher by 5%. SAIA down an astounding 24% this morning. AVTR down 11%. XPO Logistics down 9%. And Intel, INTC, down 7%. So those are all the biggest moves that I was seeing today. Of course, we had Google earnings last night, and they're higher by about 4% right now. We had Skechers, and they don't look so good, trading to the downside hard. I am Jon Najarian. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and let's go get some today. We got 6 more hours. Bang!